Hi children. Can you gather around the table in a circle here? Come closer. Come closer. Alright, do you remember our learning journey to the Spice Garden?
Yes.
Okay, so now I have some of these herbs and spices on the table. So I brought for you some aloe vera extract, blue pea flower powder that is ground up, cinnamon powder and turmeric powder. So here are some of the pictures for you to reference. So we are going to do this activity. So I'm going to pass you around the herbs and spices so you guys can smell, you can touch, and you can tell me what do they smell like. You want to take this one?
Not really.
What does it smell like? Does it smell sweet? Does it smell flowery?
I think it smells like brown. It smells like soil.
It smells like soil. What about you, Jermaine?
It smells a bit sweet.
It smells a bit sweet. What about you, Jordan? Is there any smell? Is there any smell?
Aloe vera is not nice to smell.
Not nice to smell lah. Okay. So right, I'm going to demonstrate to you some of the things where is it? Oh yeah, it was here. Okay. So I prepared for you a sachet like this. So we're going to make scented sachets and you guys can get creative with it. So I'm also going to provide you paintbrushes. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how we're going to go about with this activity. So each of you will have strips of paper. Okay, let me just take one paintbrush. So I'm going to take one strip of paper, right? So this strip of paper, you can use any of the powdered spices to put on this paper, okay? So I'm going to use the aloe vera. I'll use it like glue. What do you think if I were to mix the aloe vera extract and the powder together?
It will stick.
It will stick. Okay. So Jordan says it will stick. Let's see what is going to happen. So I'm going to use this cinnamon powder as well. So we're going to pour it here. Then we're going to pour the rest here. So as you can see, the powder sticks to the paper. Oh, I want to also add in, I forgot to show you guys the cinnamon sticks. Do you want to also touch the cinnamon sticks? Each one can take one. What does it smell like? Does it smell like the powder as well? Does it smell sweet? What's the texture of the cinnamon stick?
Rough.
Woody, rough. Alright, so now we are going to go ahead with the activity. We're going to move some of the materials to the table over there. Okay, wait now. You all can go to the table lah. Each one of you can take one sachet. You all can pick the color depending on which one you want, and then you can take this strip of paper also.
Thank you.
So you all can begin the activity. You all can make your own customized sachet however you like. You can do different kind of scent combination. You want flowery or more strong scented also can. Oh yeah, I need the paintbrush as well. It's in the bag. Is the paintbrush in the bag? You can take the paintbrushes also. if you want to name, you guys can name your sachets. Like example for my one, I named it Sleepy Cinnamon. So you all can think about what kind of center sachets you want to do. Would you bring it around with you or would you put it under your pillow? You can also think about that too. So I also have the 3 markers for you to decorate your sheets of paper.
Hey.
Jordan, which powder do you want? Do you want this one or do you want the turmeric powder?
Can I mix them?
You can mix them together. You have to also make sure to apply more layers of the aloe vera because it dries quite fast. You want the spoon? If you don't want to use your fingers, I have spoons for you to scoop the powder.
Can I have my spoon, please?
Sure. Wow, Jeremy, what kind of powder are you using?
Cinnamon.
How come you chose the cinnamon powder?
It's sweet.
Because it's sweet. What are you going to use your sachet for?
To bring it around.
You're going to bring it around. Where are you going to hang it?
In my room.
In your room?
Yes.
Jordan, what kind of combination are you making?
I'm planning to mix all 3.
You're planning to mix all 3. What do you think the smell is going to smell like after you mix all 3 together?
It's going to smell vibrant.
It's going to smell vibrant.
Oh.
Ezra, what do you name your little paper strip?
I named it Blue Cinnamon.
You name it Blue Cinnamon?
Yeah.
How come you name it Blue Cinnamon?
Because I use cinnamon and I use this blue powder.
Is it because the combination will go well together?
Yes.
Okay, once you're done decorating, you can put into the blue or white small little sachet bag. I also have some spare flowers. Do you want to also add in also?
Yes.
Okay. You can scoop the flower into the sachet.
Wow.
I'm going to wrap up. Okay, I'm going to wrap up the activity. So, what did we learn today about our herbs and spices subject making today? Today we learned about the smell, the texture, the color, and what else?
Where spices come from?
Where the spices come from which plant, right?
Yes.
Okay, can you help me to clean up the materials so we can make sure that our classroom is clean?